Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and I'm putting away some laundry. Hi, it's Sharon, and it's Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And as you can see, I have a whole stack of laundry in front of me that needs to be hung up and put in my closet. So I think I'm going to get busy and get that done. I have done a few loads of laundry already. And yesterday I noticed that when I was editing my video for Sunday Home Reset, that my comforter had a stain on the side of it. So I stripped my bed again and I took that off, took the duvet cover off, and it's in the wash now. And hopefully the stain will come out. So anyhow, we're going to get busy and we're going to hang up some of these clothes in the closet. I've got a few hangers here, so I'm going to just put clothes on them, and then we'll take them over to the closet and hang them up. And I seem to be able to wear more of my blouses since I dug them out from the back of my closet, which is a good thing. Now that I've got it a little more organized, those are pants. That's the top. So I'm just gonna keep doing these, and we'll get them hung up in the closet. Shouldn't take too long. Just throwing the pants over there. And yep, I'm hiding from you because I'm in my jammies. I don't want to be seen, but I need a video. And I am doing lots of stuff, so I thought, well, we'll get this laundry hung up. That's a good 10-minute tidy, that's for sure. You know, it's pretty boring just looking at my pile of laundry to hang up. But, I need more hangers. Okay, so now I'm going to go back over to the closet and we're going to dig out some more empty hangers. I think I got all Dave's side hangers. Okay, let's go through mine. Oh, I hope I don't have to go downstairs and get hangers, because that's where I put a lot of hangers. Oops, probably just made you dizzy doing that. There's a couple more. Let's see, what am I videoing? Sometimes holding this doesn't work the best, but you get the gist. You get the gist. Okay, let's put these hangers on the bed. There's my fingers. They just had to say hello. And we can go back and get some more hangers. I know, isn't this exciting? Okay, but I am enjoying my closet because I have dug out stuff from there and it leaves so much more room. So look at that. Yes, it's nice, and I can get to my stuff easily, and it doesn't get all squished up. Anyhow, sitting on my laundry basket. Oh, I gotta turn you around. There we go. You're sitting on my laundry basket on the bed. I know, it's kind of strange, isn't it? We'll get all these things put on hangers, and pants put in the drawers. Oops. That one's tangled up. Well, it's not a very exciting tiny tidy, that's for sure, but it is one that everybody has to do. Laundry. Oh, that's pajama top. This is one of David's shirts. So we'll get it put on a hanger. There we go. Put on a hanger. Gotta find more hangers. This is a big, heavy shirt. Hopefully I won't have to wear it anymore. Anyhow, we have beautiful sunshine in Lethbridge. And pretty soon I'll be out in the yard working, which will be fun. Lots of sunshine. Well, I thought I'd take a minute and show you my pretty wreath I made for above my bed for spring. I had lots of fun making that. Cloth on here that I thrifted for spring. And I think it looks nice. And that's how my dresser looks. I'm going to fold my pants and they go in the second drawer there. So I roll them up and I stick them in there. So let's get that done. And that's how my dresser looks. Now I'm going to fold my pants and they go in the second drawer there. So I roll them up and I stick them in there. So let's get that done. Well, there they are, all folded up and put in the drawer. That's a good thing. Now I just have a few pajama tops I'm going to fold up and put down in that bottom drawer. So let's get that done. Okay, the pajamas all go in that drawer. Everything is put away. And there's all the clothes put away. And there's no more clothes on the bed. That's a good thing. Down to the laundry room. And we'll bring up more laundry sometime soon. Anyhow, there's my Rusty. Hi, Rusty. What you doing? Yeah, he's an old guy. And here's our buddy. They're both a bit deaf. They're both a bit deaf, aren't you? Yeah, you're going in for your haircut in about 3 weeks. Yeah, I couldn't get you in any sooner, could I? Nope. Oh, well. He's going into the bedroom because I was in there and he thinks maybe he should go to bed. But no, it's not time for bed yet, buddy. Okay, we got some more stuff that I folded up. And yes, this is the next day. I'm going to put these in the linen closet. And I have a set of sheets here, fold up and put them in the linen closet. Laundry. And it's not so sunny today. We had a little bit of snow. Just kind of a rainy snow. It was kind of disappointing. We had such nice sunshine yesterday. But anyhow, we'll get this stuff folded up. And we'll go put it in the linen closet. Well, I don't know if I've told you guys what's going on here, but I've been going line dancing, and I'm learning to line dance Monday mornings, and it is great exercise.
Monday afternoon.
Oh, Monday afternoons. I think I'm a little tired from all the activities. If you read my post in the community tab, you will noticed that I did put in there all the stuff that I've been doing. And anyhow, it's a good tire. Well, it looks kind of, because anyhow, this stuff we're going to take to the linen closet, and we're going to put it in there. Closet. This is my curtain for spring. Let's see. Tuck it down there. Now, these towels are still pretty neat. Those are quite the mess up there. Yeah, there. These are pretty messy. This doesn't go in here. Let's put those. Let's get that up there. Now, I'm going to take these guys out, and I'm going to straighten them around. Even get anything. Oh, hand towel. Good. And that's a hand towel that can go out. And that one can go away too. That's a dishcloth. And here's a hand towel. Okay. I hope I got a good beginning shot. Yeah. Okay. Now we have these. I'm going to stack them in here. Nice. Some of these have to refold. I did this closet quite a while ago, rolling my towels up. It lasted for quite a while, quite a long time. These are the bigger towels. Okay, that looks better. Now, here's the rest of the laundry. And it is a tight squeeze. Okay, put you back this way. I don't know. Just, I think that's brighter. Okay. Have some sheets that I'm going to stuff down here. I don't even know if you can see that. These are tea towels. That's hand towels. I have a couple more hand towels right there. And I have this towel. Okay, and that goes in there. Okay. These are tea towels. And that goes in there. And these go down here. Okay. We got the laundry all put away. And the laundry basket is empty. Well, I'd like to thank you for watching this Tiny Tidy. And don't forget, it's a collaboration, and there are lots of people who are doing tiny tidies. And if you want lots of motivation to get different things done, this is where you get it, from the Tiny Tidy team. Okay, we'll see you in my next video. Bye!